In this video, we will learn about One Hot Encoder. It encodes categorical features or variable as a one-hot numeric array. The features are encoded using a one-hot, that is one of k or dummy encoding scheme. This creates a binary column for each category. Let's import numpy as np, import pandas as pd from scikit-learn.preprocessing, import one hot encoder. I'm going to make one variable df, and in this I will save my CSV file. From pandas I will use the method read underscore CSV, and I will type my file name. My file name is data.csv. Let's look at the top 5 rows of a data frame df. We will use the method head, df.head. These are the top 5 rows of a data frame df, and the columns are ID, color, and country. Let's look at the bottom 5 rows of a data frame. We will use the method tail, df.tail. These are the bottom 5 rows of a data frame df. Now we are going to look at the data types of each column, and we will use df.dtypes. Dtypes will give us a data type of each variable. So our ID variable is integer 64, color and countries are object. We are going to apply the one hot encoder on object variables, that is country and color. First of all, we will look at the unique values present in our variable color and country. First we will look at color, df, then we will type color here, and we want to look at the unique colors. We will use the method unique. In the output you can see that we got red, blue and green. These are the unique color present in our variable color, and when we apply the one hot encoder on this variable color, we will get 3 new columns, red, blue and green. Let's also look at the unique values present in the variable country. We will write df country dot unique. In the output you can see that these are the unique countries present in our variable country, USA, UK and Canada. So when we apply the one hot encoder on this variable country, we will get 3 new columns, that is USA, UK and Canada. Currently you can see that there are 3 columns, ID, color and country, but after applying the one hot encoder we will get columns red, green and blue, and from country we will get columns Canada, UK and USA. We will make an object of class one hot encoder and save in a variable OHE, and I will call the class one hot encoder. Let's print our variable OHE. You can see that in the output it is an object of the class one hot encoder. I'm going to apply the method fit and transform on variable color and country. I will call the object OHE, then I will call the method fit and transform, and I will apply this on the data frame df, and in data frame df I will apply this on columns color and country, and then I will convert this into an array. To array I will use the method. In the output you can see that we have successfully converted our variable color and country into a one hot encoding variable. Now I'm going to save this result in a variable. Let's say my variable is feature underscore array. I will copy this code from here, paste it here. So you can see that we have saved the result in the variable feature array. Let's look at the categories. We will write OHE dot categories. In the output you can see that we have 2 array. The first array contains categories of color, blue, green and red, and the second array contains categories of country, Canada, UK, and US. I'm going to make one variable feature underscore labels, and in this I will save this category. I will copy this code from here and paste it here. Now I have successfully saved the categories in a variable feature underscore label. These are categories that are stored in two different arrays. Now we are going to convert them into one array. You can see here that the categories are stored in two different arrays. This is the first array and this is the second array. We want to save this in one single array. So we will use numpy dot array, and now we will pass our variable feature labels, and then we will use the method ravel. In the output you can see that now the categories are stored in one array. You will see here only one array is written and all the categories are stored in this single array: blue, green, red, Canada, UK, and US. Now I'm going to save this in a new variable feature underscore labels. I'll copy this code from here, paste it here. Now I will print the variable feature underscore labels. In the output you can see that we got a list, and inside the list we have all the categories. Now let's make a data frame of feature array. So we will write pd dot data frame feature array. So here are feature arrays. These are the feature array. You can see here, I'll just print it here, print feature array. So in feature array we have these results. So we are making a data frame and we are passing feature array, then we are passing our column names, and our columns names are stored in this variable feature underscore label. So I will pass feature underscore label. Now let's execute our code. In the output you can see that we got a data frame and we have also got the columns. So this is the first column blue, second is green, third red, fourth Canada, fifth UK, and sixth USA. When we apply one hot encoding, we get new variables, and new variables are equal to the number of categories that are present in our variable. And you can see here that in our variable color, the categories are red, blue, and green. And in our variable country, the categories are USA, UK, and Canada. That's why we got 6 new columns, and you can see here these are the 6 new columns: blue, green, red, Canada, UK, and USA. I'm going to save this in a new variable. I'll copy this code from here. I'll make one variable features. I'll just paste the code which I have just copied. Let's execute. Now I'm going to print the variable features. In features you can see that we have a data frame. So we can also look at the head. We will say features dot head, and these are the top 5 rows of our new data frame features. We can also join this data frame with the original data frame df. You can see here in the original data frame df we have columns ID, color, and country. So we are going to join this new data frame features with the original data frame df. We will use the method concatenate. We will write pd.concat, and I'll make one list here. First I will pass the data frame df, then I will pass the data frame features, and I want to concatenate these two data frame on columns. So I will write axis is equal to 1. In the output you can see that we got a new data frame, and the new data frame contains each and every column, that is ID, color, country, and the new columns blue, green, red, Canada, UK, and USA. We can also save this result in a new variable. I will copy this code from here. I'll go to a new cell. I will make one new data frame. I'll make a variable df underscore new, and I will just paste the code which I have just copied. Let's execute our code. Now I'm going to look at the top 5 rows of a new data frame df. In the output, you can see that we have created a new data frame, and the new data frame contains the columns ID, color, country, blue, green, red, Canada, UK, and USA. In this video, we have seen how we can apply one hot encoding on categorical variables and create new variables. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.